Hello students, today I am going to teach you one of the grammar topic, that is linking verb. So to understand linking verb, first of all you should know about verb and the kinds of verb. And this topic you have done in class 6th and 7th also, the verb and kinds of verb. So let's have a look on these kinds. See, verb is known as a action word, and verb has two kinds, transitive and intransitive verb. This topic you have done in class 6 and 7, just try to recall that. See, transitive verbs are those verbs which require an object to complete its meaning. Okay, and intransitive verbs doesn't require an object to complete its meaning. Now I am going to take one example. She has broken the chair. She has broken the chair. So she has broken what? So the object is here the chair. So the chair is an object and it requires an object to convey its proper meaning. So it is called transitive verb. Next we have intransitive verb. Intransitive verb convey proper meaning and they do not require any of the object to convey its meaning. For example, stars twinkle. So it is conveying proper meaning and it doesn't require an object and it comes in the category of intransitive verb. Now my dear students, look at these examples. The earth is, the sky turned, she appears, mangoes are. So do these words make a complete sense? No. These lines, these sentences are not making a complete sense. I have to add some of the words here. Like the earth is round. Now it is conveying a proper meaning that the earth is round. The sky turned. It is not conveying a proper meaning. So I have to add some of the words or some of the phrases so that they can convey proper meaning. The sky turned blue. She appears. What does she appear? She appears unhappy. Okay. Mangoes are what? Mangoes are delicious. So these sentences earlier they were not conveying proper meaning. I have to add some of the words here like round, blue, unhappy, delicious so that these sentences can convey proper meaning. So here is, turn, appears, are. So all these verbs will be incomplete if we are not adding these words. So these sentences will be in the category of incomplete predication. Okay. So that's why these verbs is, turn, appears, are. These verbs are now known as linking verbs. Why they are called linking verbs, I am going to explain you in detail. So you first of all have a look that these verbs are known as linking verbs. Now basically what are linking verbs? There are some functions of linking verbs that I am going to explain you. See, first of all take example, Sania is a tennis player. So who is Sania? So Sania is a tennis player. So here is word is telling about Sania. Is word is telling about Sania because it is telling what the subject is. It is telling about the identity of a subject. So here in this sentence, what is subject? It is Sania. So Sania is subject and is word is telling about the state of the subject, that Sania is a tennis player. So is here is a linking verb. So what is basically the function of a linking verb? That it tells about the state of the subject. It tells about what the subject is. After that you just take another example. He feels nervous during exam. How does he feel during exam? How does he feel? So this he feels. So this word feels is telling about the condition of the subject with the word that nervous during exam. It means nervous during exam. It is giving more information about the subject he. That how does he feel during exam? So he feels nervous. So which verb is telling about the, you can say, information about the subject? This word is feels. So is and feels both are known as linking verb. Here is a linking verb and here feels is a linking verb. For linking verb I have written LV. So here feels is a linking verb. Now students, all of you look at these examples. She was tired. She was excited after winning. That is what she said. So these words are added. Tired. What is she? What was she? She was tired. She was excited after winning. Excited after winning. That is what she said. So I have underlined some of the words, phrases and clauses. So these words, phrases and clauses, when they were added, so they were conveying proper meaning. So these elements like tired, this element excited after winning, and this element what she said. Here word, here phrase and here clause has been added so that these words can convey proper meaning. So these elements which are added to convey its complete meaning, these words are known as complement. So here tired, excited after winning, and what she said, all these are complement. Basically complements are those words which are added so that sentence can convey its complete meaning. Now dear students, I have taken some of the examples from your grammar book. I am going to solve only 2 sentences from your grammar book. Other exercises you will be solving yourself. So I have taken exercise A, page number 39. See, Maya turned 20 this year. In this exercise you have to tell about linking verb and its complement. See, Maya turned 20 this year. So here turned will be what? It is linking verb. Why it is linking verb? Because it is telling about the state of subject. Subject here is Maya. So turned is telling about the state of the subject, and 20 it will be its complement. 20 will be its complement. Why it will be its complement? I have explained to you in detail. Because here turned is linking verb, but Maya turned what? So 20 has been added to this to make its complete meaning, and this element, what element has been added? This element will be known as complement. Next I have taken another example. My dog was happy to see its master. So my dog was happy. So here was is also telling about the state of the subject. So was is a linking verb and happy will be its complement. These 2 examples I have taken from page number 39, exercise A. Okay. Afterwards I am going to take page number 41. You have to underline the main verb and you have to tell whether it is linking verb or not. See, Payal appears calm. So appears is a linking verb or not? Yes, absolutely it is a linking verb because it is telling about the state of Payal. That how does she feel? She appears. So linking verb. It is absolutely correct that appears here is a linking verb. Gaurav tasted the delicious dish. Here tasted word is a linking verb or not? No, not at all. Not. It is not a linking verb. Why it is not linking verb? Because Gaurav has only tasted the delicious dish. It is tasted. This verb is not telling about the state of the subject. So here tasted will not be a linking verb. So you can go through these 2 examples very carefully. After that you can solve exercise A and exercise C in your grammar books. See, in your grammar book, page number 39, you have to solve exercise A. and page number 41 exercise C you have to solve in your grammar books. Okay students, thank you.